Hi, I'm Chip Wade, and I'm here with some tips on how to get your lawn and garden ready for the spring. Well, finally, there is some LED solar powered landscape lights that deliver the same type of performance as wired options. These are from Gamma Sonic Solar. What's amazing about these is that they are full powder coated aluminum. They come with everything you need right in the box. They have a small spike on the bottom. You can assemble it in just minutes and be ready to go. Now, these will run from dusk till dawn because there's so much solar capacity in these lights. Now, this contemporary light is super cool. You can actually see when the top, when it gets dark, it turns right on. It has warm and cool settings, high and low beams. Now, this has about 6 times the solar charging capacity as a traditional solar light. These Shepherd's Hook models have 8 times the solar charging power. Now, there's all kinds of different versions from bollard lights to triple lantern lights. Really great stuff going on there. Now, one thing I love about these as well is you can see there's different mounting options. So if you want it center mounted or side or off of the adjacent corner, they've really thought of everything. Make sure to check out Gamasonic.com.